morning, good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day wherever you are. Guess who is back in the building? And he made breakfast, which I'm gonna feast on. Thank you. He made what? Ham and eggs because there's more ham than eggs. It's not spicy. I'm in Walmart checking out tech stuff for whenever I travel. I have internet with me.
Now it's
So I came to the store to get mobile internet and they don't have it, but the ladies say they will have it on Wednesday. And I'm excited that they have it. They were so lovely, but my camera was acting up, so I didn't get to capture all the questions I asked and all the conversations we had. But when I come back on Wednesday, you will see them if they're here. I almost had an accident by... Oh my goodness. Soy la chica loca, eh?
You let it go.
Oy. I don't know what I was thinking. You're so funny. So first I need to get rid of the lines and then shape up the edge and then use the legs. This to create the legs. Are you gonna patch it? My taco shell that I made and I put the legs on. Does this exist? Has anyone ever created something like this? This is mine. These are mine. This is mine. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Right, so you want more?
That's enough, yeah?
I like basmati a lot. It looks a bit more professional. You want more?
Provecho.
Provecho.
Órale, Handy. He's not doing you anything. He's not. Stop. Calm down. Calm down, Hendy. He's not doing you anything.
Say. Sí. The cat is a provocateur.
Must admit that I was at home in bed taking my siesta after eating, and then in case someone asking, do you want to take Hendy for a walk? And of course I said no, but the catch was ice cream. Food is my weakness. Food is always a good idea, and ice cream fall in that category. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Chongos, porfa. Sí. En un vaso. Órale, grande. So, chongos y queso. Manga fresca.